I'm going to need a 23 gauge brad nailer, an 18 gauge brad nailer, a chop saw that can bevel and miter, a table saw, a router, a palm sander, a trusty hammer, a tape, a square, pencil. I'm also going to need for wood, a 1x4, a 1x3, a 1x8, a 1x3/4, and crown. Of course, a window to turn up. Let's begin. First thing we do is check to make sure the window's flush all the way around the drywall. If it's not, we have to fur it out. Then we're going to take this block I milled up on the table saw to get our reveals. Now that I have the reveal around the window, I'm going to start with my header piece. So the first thing I have to do is get the width of my side mouldings. I'm going to go with 4 inches. Once I mark that out, I can cut my header piece, mill it up down below, then bring it up here and install it. Let's give it a go. Be sure to make sure both ends are square and then cut it to length. Now we can start assembling the header. First thing I'm going to do is cut my crown piece. Mark and cut the other. Now I'm going to take this piece. I want it to overlap about ½ inch across. Now I can take my 23 gauge pinner and start nailing this together. Make sure to line it up with each line. Check to make sure it's even all the way around. Now it's time to glue our reveal pieces on. Then take your 23 gauge pinner and pin it in there. Now that we got the header assembled, we can go upstairs and install it on our own window. The important part about putting up the header, be sure you put it on each mark that you put here. Before I nail off the side, I'm going to be sure that my window is straight. Now that we have the header up, we can put our side pieces on. The sill I have is cut on a 90-degree angle, so I have to cut the bottom of my side piece at 90 degrees. This is why your chop saw needs to be able to miter and bevel. I have an offset of the sill material to make sure my side pieces are going to fit perfectly. We're almost there. We have the header piece on and our side pieces. Now we're going to cut the sill and the apron underneath. Be sure to keep this reveal the same all the way through. Now for the final part. We'll install the apron. Take a step back, make sure all the lines look straight, and nail it off. The important part about this is you line the edge of this up with the edge of this. There you have it. Harsh wood stain, hard paint grade, heritage style window. Hope you liked it.